Hey guys, how are you? With Christmas just around the corner, I thought today what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to make rum balls. It's a super easy recipe, nice, quick, should take you less than half an hour. And this is actually a recipe I got from my dad. My dad doesn't cook much or at all, so it's obviously something special. All you're going to need is 8 Weet-Bix, some cocoa, a cup of condensed milk, 1 cup of sultanas, and 3/4 of a cup of coconut, and 3 tablespoons of North Queensland riot juice, Bundaberg rum. Many love stories have started with this, and it's great. So here we go. All we're going to do is we're going to get our Weet-Bix in a bowl. We're going to crush them up nice and fine. You can put them in a bag and use a rolling pin, or you can put them in a blender. I'm just going to crush them with my hands. Now it's really important to get them nice and fine, get a good consistency on these. Next step, 2 tablespoons of cocoa, 1 cup of condensed milk, and a cup of sultanas. You don't have to use a whole cup if you're not as big a fan of sultanas as me, so I'm just going to start off with a couple of handfuls and see how we go, see if we need to add more. And we're just going to mix that in, stir that up. So you just want to get that mixed really well, really evenly. You may need to add a bit more. I didn't add all the condensed milk at the start. I like to add it bit by bit, just so that it's easy to put more in, but you can't actually take some out. Just gonna add a bit more. Similar to the old measure twice, cut once. So as you can see, that's all starting to come together. I'm just going to add a few more sultanas to this. Then here comes the good stuff. So 3 tablespoons of rum. And we mix all that in. I don't actually drink, but I love rum balls. It's one of them things. If I'm going up to my dad's, they generally throw some together and in the fridge, and then I'll eat the whole container while I'm there when I'm visiting. Alright, so now that we've got the desired consistency, what we're going to do is we're going to put this in the fridge for about 20 minutes, pull it out, roll them into little balls, and finish them off. Alright, back here with the rum balls. These have cooled down. They're set, they're ready to roll. I've got a plate of coconut here, and I've got a plate here to put the rolled rum balls on. Producer was just talking to me about this. Put a little mark on the rum so that you know if anyone's been drinking it. Just reminds me, when I was a teenager, one of my friends would steal his parents' rum. They had a shelf full of rum, and he would fill it back up with black tea, and eventually he got caught. Kids out there, good or bad tip, I guess. So, rum balls, roll them into little balls, roll them in coconut, put them on a plate, and that's it. Easy done. So the rum balls all finished, all rolled out. You're probably going to want to be doing a double batch of these if you're having people over. Super quick, super easy, awesome recipe. Something you can impress your friends with.